Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making Jamaican style cabbage and saltfish, so let's get started. So the first step is to desalt and cook the salted codfish. And I'm going to do this by simply boiling the salted fish until it's cooked and most of the salt has been removed. So here I have a whole cabbage, and go ahead and cut the cabbage in half. Once the cabbage is cut in half, I'm just going to remove the first two layers, and you can honestly do that before you cut the cabbage in half. So I'm just going to remove the first two layers and then cut up the cabbage. Now I'm going to go ahead and give the cabbage a rinse with some vinegar and water. If you don't have vinegar, you can use salt and water as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my natural season. So here I have some scallion, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, as well as thyme. I'm just going to cut that up and set aside. Now that the saltfish is cooked, I'm just going to go ahead and break it apart into small pieces. So in a pan, I have some olive oil. I'm just going to go ahead and saute the vegetables for about a minute and a half. After a minute, I'm going to go ahead and add my saltfish. I'm going to fry it up for about 3 minutes. Now it's time to add the cabbage, and I'm going to add the cabbage as well as some Maggi all-purpose season and some black pepper. You honestly don't need salt. You just need some black pepper, but for extra flavor, I've added some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And I'm just going to go ahead and allow that to steam for about 7 to 10 minutes. I'll go ahead and mix that together and allow it to steam for a few more minutes. Once that's done, it should look like this. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.